What's up, traders? Welcome back to the channel. If this is the first time, kindly subscribe, like, and share our videos. On this channel, we have an opportunity of Forex signals. To be added to the signals group, click Join Membership and become our YouTube member or WhatsApp +267777298841. If you're new to Forex, you've probably heard the word broker many times, but most beginners don't really understand what a Forex broker is and why choosing the right one matters. In this video, I'll explain what a Forex broker is, what brokers actually do, different types of brokers, how brokers make money, and how to avoid bad or scam brokers. Let's start from the basics. What is a Forex broker? A Forex broker is a company that gives you access to the Forex market. As a retail trader, you cannot trade directly with big banks or financial institutions. You need a broker to act as a middleman between you and the market. The broker provides a trading account, a trading platform like MT4 or MT5, live currency prices, and the ability to buy and sell currencies. Without a broker, you simply cannot place Forex trades. How a Forex broker works. Let's use a simple example. You want to buy Euro/USD. You open your broker's platform and click Buy. That order goes through your broker and your trade is executed. If price goes up, you make profit. If price goes down, you take a loss. Your broker executes the trade, displays profits and losses, holds your trading balance, and closes the trade when you exit. The broker does not decide the market direction. They only provide access and execution. Trading platforms brokers offer. Most Forex brokers provide platforms like MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5. These platforms allow you to analyze charts, use indicators, place trades, and manage risk with stop loss and take profit. The platform is like your trading workspace, and the broker provides it. Types of Forex brokers. There are different types of Forex brokers. Market maker brokers. These brokers create their own prices and often take the opposite side of your trade. They usually offer fixed spreads, easy account opening, and small deposits. They're common for beginners, but there can be conflict of interest. STP/ECN brokers. These brokers send your trades directly to liquidity providers like banks. They offer tighter spreads, faster execution, and small commissions. These are preferred by professional traders because pricing is more transparent. How Forex brokers make money. Forex brokers are businesses, so they make money in a few ways. Spreads, the difference between buy and sell price, commissions, small fees per trade, and swap fees, fees for holding trades overnight. A good broker makes money without manipulating your trades. Is a Forex broker safe? Not all Forex brokers are safe. A good Forex broker should be regulated by a trusted authority, transparent about fees, offer secure deposits and withdrawals, and provide customer support. Regulation protects traders from fraud. Always avoid unregulated brokers promising guaranteed profits, zero-risk trading, and unrealistic bonuses. Those are red flags. Final thoughts. A Forex broker is your gateway to the Forex market. Choosing the right broker is just as important as learning how to trade. A bad broker can destroy a good strategy. A good broker helps you trade smoothly and safely. Outro. See you in the next video.